How to naturally banish dark circles. Dark circles under the eyes can be a persistent and frustrating cosmetic concern. While they can be caused by a variety of factors, including genetics, aging, and lifestyle choices, there are many natural remedies that can help to reduce their appearance. Understanding the causes. Before diving into the solutions, let's briefly discuss the common causes of dark circles. Lack of sleep. Inadequate sleep can cause blood vessels under the eyes to dilate, leading to a darker appearance. Dehydration. Dehydration can make the skin under the eyes appear thinner and more translucent, revealing the underlying blood vessels. Allergies. Allergic reactions can cause inflammation and fluid retention around the eyes, contributing to dark circles. Aging. As we age, the skin under the eyes becomes thinner and can lose elasticity, making dark circles more noticeable. Sun damage. Excessive sun exposure can break down collagen and elastin in the skin, leading to premature aging and dark circles. Genetics. Family history can play a role in the development of dark circles. Natural remedies for dark circles. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your skin hydrated. Cold compresses. Apply a cold compress to the affected area for 10 to 15 minutes to reduce inflammation and constrict blood vessels. Cucumber slices. Place chilled cucumber slices on your eyes for 15 to 20 minutes to reduce puffiness and soothe the skin. Tea bags. Soaked and chilled tea bags, especially green tea or black tea, can help reduce inflammation and dark circles. Aloe vera. Apply aloe vera gel to the under eye area to soothe and hydrate the skin. Vitamin E oil. Massage a small amount of vitamin E oil into the skin around your eyes to improve skin elasticity and reduce dark circles. Coconut oil. Apply coconut oil to the under eye area before bed to moisturize and nourish the skin. Lifestyle changes. Limit alcohol consumption, reduce salt intake, quit smoking. Eat a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and antioxidants. Protect your skin from the sun by wearing sunglasses and applying sunscreen. When to see a dermatologist. While many natural remedies can help improve the appearance of dark circles, it's important to consult a dermatologist if your condition persists or worsens. They can provide a more accurate diagnosis and recommend additional treatments if necessary. Additional tips. Gentle cleansing. Use a mild cleanser to gently cleanse the area around your eyes. Avoid rubbing. Avoid rubbing your eyes, as this can irritate the skin and make dark circles worse. Sleep on your back. Sleeping on your back can help reduce fluid buildup around the eyes. Facial massage. Gently massage the under eye area to improve circulation and reduce puffiness. Thank you for staying with us until the end of this video. If you enjoy our videos, please give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. Let us know what you'd like us to make videos about next.